One take. Say for example, right, you got 10 friends, right? Y'all all do OnlyFans. So one girl got a 720 score credit, and then the average of y'all, and another one got like a 520. But the average, let's just say, is a 620. Let's say on the average, also, all of you guys have 5,000 followers. You all work at a club, and also do OnlyFans. Say for example, y'all just put $2,000 in a pot. A Sprinter van only costs $30,000. With a $720 credit score, you put maybe like $5,000 down. The notes will probably be like $600. You get a brand new Sprinter. Wrap it up. Get an LLC. Name yourself something. Y'all already got the OnlyFans popping, so y'all already on the road. Y'all can travel wherever y'all trying to go. The next thing is creating a connection with clubs. How you do this is bring something to the table. Connect with a club and tell them, hey, look, I got 6 to 7 girls, you feel me? All of them look nice and all of them bringing at least 20 to 30 people into the club. So at the door, you feel me, you can hit them over the head. All we need is, you feel me, just get our stage fee, yada, 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 yada. You make your own connections and your own deals. The main thing is just get in a party, you feel me? 5 to 10 females, y'all group up, you feel me? Use your credit to get a Sprinter van. You can even hire a driver, hire a photographer, use Google ads, Instagram ads, create an LLC. You guys can get business loans, make your own strip club. Think outside the box, you feel me? Stop doing it one-dimensional minded, you feel me? Just team up. It's a group of females. Everybody got $2,000, $3,000, you feel me? Somebody got good credit, create an LLC. It costs $200. Just make it happen. I can act as a dual real